Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 84th algorithm video. In this task we are given a string and the task is to find out whether the last number which is given to us in the string is it equal to the length of the alphabet characters. So in example 1, the length of alphabet characters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this 5 length is equivalent to the last digit of the string 5. However, in example 2, the length of the alphabet character is only 4. Geek. The length is only 4 and it is not equivalent to the last character of the example 2, which is 5. So we have to make this algorithm. So the string that is given to us is geeks 5. Now we need to calculate the length of alphabet characters. It would be len of string -1. Why we are doing -1? Because the length of this string would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It would be 6, but we need to find out the length of the only alphabet characters, not the last digit. So if length of alphabet characters is equivalent to string -1, we are using indexing. We are going to use the number -1 because -1 would give us this character of the string, and since this indexing would return us a string, we need to convert it into an integer. So print yes, the length of alphabet character is equal to last digit of string, else print no, the length of alphabet character is not equal to last digit of string. Let me explain why we have done indexing. Print string, when we do -1, we want the last character from that string. So we would get 5, but this would be in string form. We can find out using the type. So it would be given as a string. This 5 would be given as a string. So when we need to check the length of the alphabet characters, we should compare it with an integer of the string -1. So that is why we have converted that string into an integer. Now let's click play. So yes, the length of the alphabet character is equal to the last digit of the string. Now if I change the string to geek 5, since the length of the alphabet character is 4 and the last digit is 5, so the answer would be no. No, the length of alphabet character is not equal to the last digit of string. That is all from my side. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.